guys, I'm back and this is our 5-day do-it-yourself trip to Taiwan. We had an early flight, 6 AM, so maaga kami sa airport. Ayan, nagpapalit na rin kami ng peso to Taiwan dollar. And yan, boarding na kami. Smooth naman yung process sa immigration, walang ibang hiningi kundi passport at boarding pass. 2 hours later, we are already here in Taiwan. Our first mission is to claim our internet SIM cards and EC card for MTR and buses and our airport transfer. Ayan. So, nag-bus kami papuntang Taipei. Lahat ng yan guys, pinurchase ko lang sa Klook. Sobrang helpful talaga ng Klook. Mura na, less hassle pa. For your future travels, I recommend you use the app and you can create one. You can use my code so that you'll get credits and discount na rin. Ayan, nakadating na din kami sa hotel namin. Hotel Midtown Richardson, which is located in Simanding area. I highly recommend this hotel since malapit siya sa lahat, as in katabi niya lang yung MTR station. Maayos din yung service at masarap yung breakfast buffet nila. Ayan, so pagkatapos magbihes, gala mood na agad. Tapos ito, food trip agad. Ayan, tignan nga natin kung masarap talaga yung J&G fried chicken. We ordered the regular and spicy flavor and masarap naman talaga siya. In fact, nakailang balik nga ako dyan. And of course, dahil milk tea is life, pwede ba nating mamiss to sa Taiwan? Ito yung famous Xingfu Tang milk tea. Yung black pearls nila sobrang soft and chewy and masarap naman. I'll rate them 8 out of 10. Simanding is Taipei's youth and shopping district, kaya buhay na buhay talaga siya during the night and day. Marami kang pwedeng gawin, like ayan, maraming claw machines, maraming food trip, restaurants, street foods, and of course, shopping district to, so marami ka talagang pwedeng mabilan. Dito rin located ang famous Rainbow Pedestrian. Syempre, meta yan dito sa Taipei. So, yan, kailangan may picture tayo. Right across the street, makikita nyo rin yung Red House. So, yan, pwede nyo lakarin. Most of the time nga pala, we use the train to go from one point to another here in Taiwan. They really have a good interconnected railway system and most of the stations malapit na lang din sa mga tourist spots. It's the fastest and cheapest way to go around here in Taiwan. At ayan, nandito na kami sa next stop. One of the world's tallest skyscrapers, Taipei 101. In 35 seconds, we reach the 89th floor using this ultra-fast elevator. Dito sa taas, you get to enjoy the 360-degree view of the entire city. Yun, nakakalula siya, pero sulit naman kasi this is the best spot for you to appreciate the entire city, the buildings, and the mountains. On the same floor, meron ding cafe where you can eat snacks and have coffee. Pagbaba namin, naglakad-lakad lang kami, and then we ended the night in Hooters Taipei. This is a roof deck, so maganda siyang spot para ma-appreciate mo yung Taipei 101 during the night. And syempre, masarap naman yung pagkain nila dito at marami rin pagpipilian when it comes to drinks. And that's our first day here in Taiwan. Ayan, this is gonna be our second day. So pagkatapos namin mag-breakfast sa hotel, lumabas na kami agad. At eto na siya, yung double-decker sightseeing bus. This is actually a good way for you to roam the entire city nang nakaupo lang. So kung ikaw yung tipo ng ayaw mo maglakad, this is the best deal for you. You can book this sa Klook pa rin. At ayan, dadaanan niya yung mga famous landmarks and tourist spots here in Taipei. Pwede ka naman bumaba anytime, pero for us, we chose to complete the tour. Make sure umupo kayo sa second deck kasi mas maganda yung view doon at mas enjoy syempre. After this bus tour, sumakay ulit kami ng MTR papuntang Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. And guys, ito yung Liberty Square where you can see the National Theater, the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall, and the National Concert Hall. So, ayan. Konting lakad lang makakarating ka na sa Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Buti na lang, sakto lang yung punta namin dito kasi inabutan namin yung changing of guards. It happens every hour, so you need to plan ahead para makita mo siya or mapanood mo siya. After sa Liberty Square, sumakay ulit kami ng MTR papuntang Maokong Station kasi sasakay kami ng Maokong Gondola. Bought a round trip ride of this activity from Klook and it will last like 20 to 30 minutes. You have the option to choose Crystal Bottom or just the regular gondola. Parehas lang naman sila ng bayad. Kaso lang mas mahaba yung pila sa Crystal 1 kasi mas maraming kumukuha nun. Nag-enjoy talaga kami sa cable car ride na to. Pagkatapos niyan, bumalik na kami agad sa hotel para magbihis lang at mag-freshen up kasi magpo-food trip kami. Ayan, nag-milk tea na naman. Our goal was to tikman lahat talaga ng food trip dito, lalo na yung mga street food kasi mura lang siya dito guys. At masasarap naman talaga, kaya sigurado tataba ka dito pag nagtagal ka dito sa Taiwan eh. That's one of my favorite, the sugar coated tomato. Ang sarap talaga niya. Ayan, grabe, may pa-iPhone yung mga claw machines dito. In my younger days, sobrang addict ko dito at super dami kong nakuhang mga ganito sa Pilipinas. Siguro mga 3 sako na. Kaya syempre hindi tayo papahuli, kukunin natin to sigurado. Yan, sige, milk tea pa. We did a little shopping here sa Ximending area and ayan, magaganda talaga yung mga tinda dito guys. Mahirap magpigil. Nandito rin pala sa Ximen yung Hello Kitty themed 7-Eleven nila. At ayan, aesthetic na aesthetic talaga tong 7-Eleven na to. Puro Hello Kitty syempre. After dito guys, we rode the cab para pumunta ng Shilin Market. Going to a night market is a must do here in Taiwan. So syempre hindi natin papalampasin tikman ng mga food trip nila guys. Masasarap yung sausages nila dito guys. Yan yung oyster omelette or oyster pancake. Ito yung parang kwek-kwek nila. Masarap naman siya. Then this one I tried the noodle nila. Sobrang sarap. Spicy siya at flavorful. Masarap din yung mga squids nila dito. My only regret is hindi ko lang talaga natikman yung stinky tofu nila guys. Sorry, hindi ko talaga kaya ng powers ko yun. After sa Shilin Market, we went back to our hotel para mag-rest na din. This is our 3rd day. Maaga kami sa Taipei Main Station. Dito kasi yung meet-up place ng guided tour na binook namin sa Klook. 3 places yung pupuntahan namin guys at malayo siya sa city. So, this is the best and practical way to do it. We arrived at our first destination which is the Yilu Geo Park. So ayan, malapit siya sa coast and that's the Pacific Ocean right there. Dito sa park na to, marami kang makikitang unique rock formation and the entire landscape of this place is ibang-iba talaga. Wala akong nakitang ganito sa Pilipinas. Puro lakad yung gagawin mo dito sa park na to kasi malaki siya. At since open area to, medyo mainit talaga. So don't forget to bring a cup or an umbrella. Unfortunately, mahaba yung pila sa Queen's Head kaya hindi na kami nakapagpa-picture. Our second stop for this day is the Giafen Old Street. This place is located in the mountainous area of Taiwan, so parang Tagaytay siya. Masarap maglakad sa lugar na to. Maraming shops na pwede mong bilan ng mga pasalubong. Ayan, pagkain, pwede ka rin mag-shopping. Eto, nakipila ako at nagtry ako ng rice cake nila at masarap talaga siya. Basta mahaba talaga pila, guys, masarap talaga yung pagkain. Hindi ka talaga magugutom sa Taiwan kung san-san. Nasa tabi-tabi, ang daming pwedeng bilan ng pagkain. At ito yung view guys, para talaga siyang Tagaytay. Then we found this cafe. Dito kami nag-lunch and masarap yung food at maganda yung view. We ordered fried rice, xiaolong bao, and then the braised beef. Ayan, nagugutom na naman tuloy ako eh. On to our next destination, the Shifen Old Street. This place is very famous for flying sky lanterns. Sobrang daming tao nga lang dito guys. Ayan, we are writing wishes on our lanterns and sana matupad talaga yan. Nagstay kami ng mga 1 hour dito para mag-ikot-ikot lang and nakakatuwa kasi people are really happy in this place. Inantay namin yung train pero hindi siya dumating eh. Wala eh, ginose tayo. After namin kumain, pumunta na kami sa last stop of this tour which is the Shifen Waterfalls. Ayan, kumain na naman kami since napagod kami kasi trekking to guys. Ito yan yung Shifen Waterfall. Maraming tao dito guys so kailangan mo ng patience para makakuha ng magandang picture or selfie. After the tour, bumalik na kami agad sa aming hotel para maligo. Sobrang nakahagard kami doon. At ayan, every night talaga iba-iba yung mga performances dito sa Ximending. At eto, pang 10 milk tea ko na tatutid dito sa Taiwan. Pero ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. I know this is an international brand pero ngayon ko lang siya natikman. I am really satisfied sa timpla nila so I will give them 10 out of 10. Our 4th day is a Meet Your Garden Day. Ipaslow mo ang person at kinaril talaga yung effort outfit kahit mainit. We rode this bullet train so we can get to Chiayi District para puntahan lang ang school ni Dao Mingsi at Sanchai. Kahit medyo luma na yung school guys, it's very nostalgic talaga. Ibang klase mararamdaman mo dito kung fanatic ka ng nature garden. When I was planning this trip, I made sure talaga na maglaan ng isang araw para puntahan to kahit malayo siya guys. Tiniis ko yung 2 hours sa bullet train para lang mapuntahan to, pero it's all worth it. Lalo na to yung napuntahan mo yung locker mismo ni Sanchai 150. Ito yung GOAT, greatest locker of all time. Another 2-hour train ride at ayan, bumalik na kami sa Metropolis. Pagkatapos magbihes, pumunta kami sa Breeze Center. This is a shopping center na may mga restaurants din. Most of the luxury brands guys nandito at ganun din siya. Masarap din siya maglakad-lakad sa gabi. Meron din mga nagpe-perform. Meron din ditong mga bars. Diyan kami kumain at konting chill lang. On our 5th day, namili lang kami ng mga pasalubong at nagstay sa Ximen area since it's our flight day na rin. Well, I guess that concludes my Taiwan trip. I really enjoyed Taiwan. Taiwan is such a beautiful country. Yung mga lugar, aesthetic. Yung mga pagkain, aesthetic. Pati mga tao, aesthetic. I will surely come back to this country and probably I will explore southern Taiwan naman. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please subscribe or follow for future gala with me. Thank you.